injured watermelon still be eaten? Going out for an outing today. Bought a watermelon. After got home, I put it in the refrigerator to chill it. The next day, when I made the cut, I found that the wound had begun to change color. Let's take a look under the microscope to see what changes have taken place. This is the picture when magnified 100 times. The yellow mold has started to spread. There are places where you can actually see the mycelium and the bacteria. Watermelon is high in sugar, very conducive to bacterial growth. This part is definitely inedible. Otherwise, you will have diarrhea. Sometimes it can also cause serious food poisoning. Cut watermelons generally start to breed bacteria within 6 hours at room temperature. This situation looks more serious. This watermelon is just a little damaged at the injured part. Other parts still look good. It's a pity to throw it away. This is what it looks like after zooming in. Things look good. The cells are very full. Aren't those black ones broken? It is a blister containing air under a microscope. Watermelon cells are very large, mainly leaf bubbles. There's sweet juice in it. After observation, this part of the watermelon can be eaten with confidence. We often encounter situations where we can't finish it all at once. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate. It can effectively extend the shelf life. So, can you eat overnight watermelon? The main thing is to see if it has been properly stored. If the color of the watermelon changes significantly, don't eat it. Today's journey of exploration of the microscopic world ends here. If you are interested in the micro world, you can follow me. Leave a message in the comment area. Let's explore the mysteries of the microscopic world together.